take extra care when driving on country roads. New figures have revealed the heartbreaking toll in rural and regional areas of Australia.
The thing that most people don't understand is that regional areas are home to less than a third of the Australian population.
That's that fucking Mustang's fault.
Almost 2 in every 3 road deaths will take place in a regional or rural area.
Fuck it.
Logan!
What the fuck, mate? Holy shit.
Dickhead! Fucking wanker! Fucking children!
Jackknife! Oh, power bomb!
Funny looking bush boy.
And yes, we're finding new viruses all the time, and I might say if you look at COVID and the coronavirus, it's been circulating all varieties of it for decades. And a lot of these viruses...
Through the red. Through the red. Well done, Harvey Towing. See you on Scotty's.
Damn right!
Oh my god.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
600 meters, turn left.
Drop out as soon as anyone tries to lift them. Also, please subscribe to the Mr. Ballin podcast wherever you listen to podcasts so you don't miss any of our weekly uploads.
Holy shit!
They're calling on unusual sound, irregular sound. They're calling on unusual sound, irregular sound. Almost any rhythmic low frequency vibration.
No more drugs for that man.
Okay, let's get
What
into
the
our first
fuck?
story called This Chat Room Kills People.
How old are they?
50?
Huh?
50?
My age?
Yeah.
They look like young people.
Yeah. Well, that was, I just thought it was the man who's driving.
So what's the idea of that? What the fuck are you doing? Move!
Let him go.
You fucking idiot! It's a chick!
Oh, well, let her go. Stop it.
What the fuck are you doing?
Oh.
Like, I'm doing the speed limit, she slowed down. None of that's my problem. She slowed down even more and I was just staying the same speed.
Yeah, but she was ahead of you on the right lane, so...
And then she slowed down.
Ring.
I was waiting for her to speed up.
Holy dog shit!
Hey, red, bro.
好，3470的，挣了17000。过前面干嘛？
You fucking moron.
Still okay. See you, red light.
Number 287, plenty going on in his life. Oh, yeah, it's busy man. I'll tell you what, after that Collingwood-Carlton game, my phone started pinging straight away, people wanting tickets.
Why did you have to bring that?
Hey? Collingwood-Geelong, people asking me for tickets to Collingwood-Geelong.
Collingwood-Carlton.
Who are neutrals barracking for between Geelong and Collingwood? Because everyone always has hated Collingwood.
The fuck?
Feet per second, a range exceeded 2 miles and accuracy was equally as exceptional. During testing, an R23 prototype was rumoured to have hit a steel soup can more than a mile away.